Welcome to Sandy Creek Farms. Join us on this virtual tour as we explore the unique spaces and amenities that make our venue a truly exceptional location to celebrate your special day. As you can see, our property boasts a beautiful and welcoming atmosphere. Enjoy the landscape drive into our nature-inspired event center. We understand the importance of a smooth arrival, so during your event, the front gate will remain open, but all exterior roads will be coned off, directing guests directly to our designated parking. The spacious event parking area ensures ample space for your guests. At the station, you'll find convenient restrooms for men, women, and families, as well as a laundry room for your added comfort. The top floor houses our main office. The stables are the heart of our venue, rich in history and character. The original stalls offer unique possibilities for customization. Imagine transforming them into a gift room, a memory station, a photo booth area, or even a dedicated space for kids. Inside our commercial kitchen, you'll find an array of amenities, including the highly regarded Sonic Ice. This kitchen is not only a convenient space for catering staff, but it is also available to all lodging guests throughout their stay. Upstairs, you'll find a versatile space that can be transformed to suit your needs. Whether you envision ready rooms, a rehearsal dinner location, or even an indoor ceremony in case of inclement weather, this space offers endless possibilities and timeless charm. Large hinged and sliding doors on our raised deck and balconies open up for all four sides of the building, allowing for a very comfortable flow for guests to mingle inside the stables, outside on the flagstone patio, or across the breezeway in the pavilion. The stable's large sliding doors open up to reveal the flagstone patio, a magical setting for unforgettable receptions. Complemented by the soft glow of our overhead string lights, the flagstone patio creates an enchanting atmosphere, perfect for dancing the night away. Directly adjacent to the flagstone patio and stables is the pavilion, our climate-controlled, open ballroom with restrooms, a caterer staging area, a walk-in cooler, and a projector to seamlessly accommodate your event needs. Our see-through designer garage doors offer unparalleled versatility, allowing you to fully open them to enjoy the fresh air during pleasant weather or simply admire the stunning view through the glass panels. Our charming bungalows offer privacy and comfort for you and your wedding party. Each unit features modern-day amenities, such as surround sound Bluetooth speakers, bar areas, and a cozy fire pit for evening relaxation. Our bungalows are not only idyllic retreats for guests, but also serve as the perfect private ready rooms for those celebrating their special day, ensuring a relaxed and stress-free start to your wedding festivities. Just outside the bungalows, you'll find our game area, where guests can enjoy volleyball, badminton, cornhole, yard Jenga, and much more. Nearby are a kids' fort with swings and a slide, along with other nostalgic youth equipment. Our stunning orangery is a versatile gem. Imagine capturing a first look, holding a bridesmaid's brunch, or even enjoying an intimate elopement. This enchanting greenhouse boasts various fruits and is comfortably heated in the winter and cooled by fans during the warmer months. The chef's cottage, cellar, and porchside offer additional accommodation options for up to 13 guests. These units can be rented separately or together depending on your needs. Porchside, with its private courtyard, is perfect for those seeking a bit of separation from a larger group. All units feature outdoor fire pits and grills for enjoying the beautiful weather, as well as a large sun deck and spacious back porch. Our private island is a secluded oasis centered amidst our 20-acre lake. Accommodating up to 350 guests, the island is equipped with a climate-controlled restroom, a cozy fireplace, and an adjacent boat dock. Although we provide shuttle service to escort guests to our starlit bridge, we also offer golf cart transportation across the bridge for guests requiring assistance. Nestled in our stunning forest is our all-natural ceremony site, The Pines. Complete with a cedar arbor and seating for up to 200 guests, this easily accessible area provides a unique nature-inspired setting with picturesque views. Our lake cabin offers breathtaking views and is perfect for bridal brunches, rehearsal dinners, and more. Unwind at the screened-in gazebo, soak up the sun on the private dock, or find tranquility by the soothing waterfall. For our furry friends, we offer two pet-friendly accommodations, the Magnolia and Fido's Flat. Both options offer spacious kitchen areas and provide a comfortable, welcoming space for your pets to relax and enjoy their stay with you. Sandy Creek Farms offers an abundance of amenities designed to enhance your guest experience. Immerse yourself in a world of natural beauty with manicured landscaping, unique art and sculptures, and a vibrant ecosystem of diverse birds and wildlife. Our fitness center is equipped with a Bluetooth sound system and a flat-screen TV and is accessible 24/7 for our guest convenience. Explore over 10 miles of geo-referenced hiking and ATV trails through Sandy Creek Farms. We also offer a paddle boat, canoes, and life jackets so that you can make cherished memories at our fully stocked lake. We even have an on-site fish cleaning station. All lodging accommodations include complimentary drinks, snacks, and toiletries for added comfort. With features like these, we ensure your stay is as memorable as your special day. Sandy Creek Farms offers an unparalleled venue experience, combining natural beauty with exceptional amenities. From the moment you step onto our property, you'll be captivated by the enchanting surroundings and thoughtful touches that make your special day unforgettable. Our dedicated team is committed to providing exceptional service and creating a truly magical celebration. Let us help you transform your dream wedding into a reality.